ball. Ball. Throw the ball. Catch the ball. Good job. Throw the ball. Catch the ball. Oh, my nose kisses. Good job. Ba. Bear. Yay. Say up. Mama. Up. Mama. Up. Mama. Up. Hold the rails. Up. Good job. Milk. I heard choo-choo train. Choo-choo, chugga, choo-choo. What does a train say? What does a train say? Choo-choo, chugga, choo-choo, chugga, choo-choo. It's a choo train here. What does the choo-choo train say? Choo, chugga, choo-choo. Ready, set, go. Can you say go? Good job. Wah. Whoa. We. M, please.
W.
O, W. Emma. Good job. Good job, W. What are you doing? What is the color of the worm? That's correct. It's purple. Melon in. What is this? Kiwi in. Good job. That. Avocado in. Yum. Avocado. What is that? Pineapple. What's that? Banana in. Nom. Worm is so hungry. What's that? Watermelon. What is this? Orange. Yum. Oh, thank you so much, Ami. Thank you for feeding me. I am full now. Thank you. Can you point Mama the white flower? Good job. Can you point Mama the pink flower? Good job. What about the number 5? Where is the number 5? Here. Where is the number 5? Good job, baby. Good job.